Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix "You submitted an appeal" Facebook problem. If you're seeing the "You submitted an appeal" message on Facebook, it usually means there's an issue with your account review. This can be fixed by adjusting app permissions and submitting a proper appeal. First, hold the Facebook app on your mobile device and tap on the info icon to open the app settings. Next, tap on Permissions. Scroll down and tap on Location. Then select Don't Allow. This ensures Facebook doesn't use location data while you fix the issue. After that, go back and open the Play Store. In the search bar, type Facebook and check if the app is updated. If not, tap Update to install the latest version. Once the app is updated, scroll down and tap on App Support. Then, tap on the email option to contact Facebook support. In the email, enter the subject as "You submitted an appeal." In the message, include your appeal details such as your appeal ID, the problem name, and your account name. After sending this, Facebook will review your appeal and guide you on the next steps to restore access or resolve the issue. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.